Hello awesome peoples, in this video I will explain how you get dark mode on your Snapchat application in only iPhone in most easiest ways. So let's begin. For enable dark mode, firstly go to the app store and update your Snapchat application. Simply update the and then open your Snapchat application. Now you're going to your profile section. Now simply go on the top section, the setting button. Now scroll down and simply go to the app appearance. Now click on dark mode. Now go to back and your dark mode is now visible on the Snapchat application. If you like my content, so please click on like, subscribe and click on bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles,